Welcome to magiccse by Eezytutorials. To watch the same content in Tamil, click the link in the description box. In this video, we are going to see what is meant by foreign key constraint. So let us see what is meant by foreign key. Why we are going to use this foreign key. You are having two different tables. You want to connect both the tables. So that you are willing to prevent some unwanted action. Invalid data should be prevented. Then you can use this foreign key constraint. If you are seeing an example, it will be more clear. So foreign key constraint will be preventing the actions which will destroy the linkage between two tables. So if you want to create a foreign key that in a table you are willing to make a particular attribute as a foreign key, then the same attribute should be the primary key of some other table. Then only it is eligible to create foreign key. We will see an example. Here I am having a table category CID name. And I'm having a stock table, stock ID, stock name and section. So this section will have the IDs which is present in the category table. So here I'm having like stationery, gift articles, fancy items, like that many categories of items I'm having here. So the ID and name I'm having. So here I'm creating stocks. For example, pencil is a stock which comes under stationery item. So I'll give some ID. The stock name is pencil. It should come under stationery. So I'll be giving the particular ID of this stationery. So for example, C11. So that will be given here. So this section can be considered as a foreign key for this stock table. Why it can be considered? Provided it is already referring to a column which is the primary key of some other table. So it is referring to the category ID. This category ID is already a primary key. So if a column should refer to a table, another table's column which is actually a primary key. So this is how you have to establish a foreign key creation or linkage. Suppose I am having like 4 IDs C11, 12, 13, 14. I am trying to insert a value with ID C19 or something which is not present in this table. Then it is considered to be invalid data because the category itself is not there. How come the stock will come to a category which is not present in this table, right? So that is considered to be an invalid data and that insertion will be violated. It will not be allowed. Same way I'm having, I'm trying to delete the stock stationery, the category stationery, C11 stationery I'm trying to delete. Actually the pencil is referring to this, no? So this deletion also will not be allowed. It will be violated. So the referential constraint or integrity constraint will violate the unwanted deletion. So here you are having some values which is referring to this table means then it will not be deleted if you are trying to delete it. So this table, the key which is the table which is having the foreign key is called the child table, and the table which is having the corresponding primary key is called the parent table. So whenever you are getting violations, it will be telling the parent record not found or child record is present or not found, something like that you'll be getting. So this is the child table and this is the parent table. You have to know that. So now there are many ways to create foreign key. We will see 2 or 3 methods for creating this foreign key constraint. So as we saw the same table we are going to create. I am going to create the category table. Then I am going to create stock table. So in category table 2 columns, CID, this is the primary key and this is name. In the stock table 3 columns and this has to be created as a foreign key. So we'll see the execution of the command. So create table category, I have created CID and I have made it primary key, then name I have kept up. Then create table stock 1. So in 2 or 3 methods I am going to do no. So in the first method I am keeping the table name as stock 1. So stock ID, stock name and section. So after this you have to use the keyword foreign key. Then which column? So I am going to make this section column as the foreign key and this is referencing the category ID of the category table. So foreign key, in the bracket you have to give the column. So section. So the column of this table section references keyword should be used. then the name of the table is category. So it is referencing to the table category and the column name is CAD. That should be given in bracket. So here both the column names should be given in brackets. First one, since this is the table, this foreign key is present in this table, you have to write just foreign key, then in the bracket you have to give the column name which is in this table, then references followed by the table name, in the bracket you have to give the referencing column. So this is how you have to create the foreign key. So let us execute this and see. So I am creating both the tables and I am trying to insert values here. So the table category has been created, stock one is created, then I have inserted one value stationery and one value pencil in this table. So I can insert many values. So stationery, then gift items, then fancy items, something like that I can keep on inserting. Suppose I am trying to insert a value into the stock table. So yes, the second stock is some stock shawl, something I am inserting. Sorry. So shawl I am inserting, and so it should come under textiles. I'm giving like 7 or 8. C1 7 or 8. See, I got violation. Why I got this violation? Because I am having only C11, 12 and 13. I am trying to insert a value which is not present in this category table. C17 is a value which is not present in this category table. So what type of constraint violation I am getting? Integrity constraint violation. Parent key not found. So C17 in this parent table, C17 like that one key value is not present. So it is violating and it is not allowing you to insert. For example, I am inserting it in C13. So C13 value is present. So automatically it will be created. The row will be created. You won't get any violations. So this is called as foreign key. One more type of violation is if you are trying to delete this, delete from the name of the table is category, right? Category where CID is equal to 13 or 11. So if I am trying to delete, you will get again violation. Child record found. So for this 13, you are having a child record in the stock table. So this deletion is violated. So if you are creating foreign key constraint, unwanted insertion and unwanted deletion will be violated and your integrity of both the tables will be maintained and saved. That is why you go for foreign key creation. So now we created the foreign key. Now you are having a scenario like for some duration I'll have this foreign key constraint, then I want to relax. So if you are choosing that method, then you have to create the foreign key with the foreign key constraint name. So for that we go for the second method. So I am creating another table stock 2, the same category table CID I am referring. So the same schema I am following, stock ID, stock name section. So now the same syntax, the same query I am copying and pasting. Only two words I have used as extra. Constraint FKS. So this constraint FKS will not allow you to delete this constraint at any time. So if you want to relax this constraint at any time, you can do that with the help of this constraint name. So C was missing, that is the reason. So the table is successfully created. Now again if you want, you can insert and see the values. Like so if you are inserting the value with C13, it will be inserted. But you are trying to insert a value like some values with the some other C19 is not present, integrity violation will be created. So this is the second method. So you can drop this at any point. So we'll see how to drop this constraint. Then one more method of foreign key creation we'll see. So alter table name, drop constraint, the name of the constraint if you are giving, your constraint will be dropped. So alter table, the name of the table is stock to write, stock to drop constraint. The name of this constraint we have kept as FKS, right? FKS. So now the foreign key constraint has been dropped. So just now I try to insert this value shorts with C19. C19 is not present in the category table, right? Only 1, 11, 12, 13 is present. 19 is not present. So violation occurred. Now I have removed the foreign key constraint. So one row will be created without any violations. So you can create foreign key constraint and you can drop foreign key constraint at any time. So we saw the second method, creating foreign key constraint with the name and dropping the foreign key. That is the next example we saw. So the last example is you are creating a table. Already you are creating a table. After the table creation, you are willing to add the constraint. So at the time of creation, you didn't create any foreign key. You didn't set any foreign keys. Create table stock 3, stock ID, name, section. I have created. I have not set any foreign key. Now I wish to set a foreign key. So how I can do it? I can do it with the help of alter command. So alter table name. I have to use the keyword add constraint. This is not getting copied. So yes. So alter table, the table name is stock 3. Then you have to use the keyword add constraint, the name of the constraint. The same syntax, foreign key, the column name of this table, references the table name and its primary key. So this is how you have to alter the table. So you are adding a foreign key constraint after the table creation. Then you can use this alter command. So same way you can insert values and check how it is working. So in this video we have seen 3 different methods for creating foreign key constraint and how to drop the foreign key constraint. So make sure the constraint names are unique. So if you are here I have kept FKS. So here I have kept as FKS3. So before dropping, if I am trying to use the same name, I'll get errors. And the other common errors in foreign key constraint is the data type should be similar. So you are connecting this section column and this CID column. So here CID is char of 4, section is also char of 4. Size, if there is little bit difference, you won't get any issues unless and until the record is mismatching. But this is character, this is an integer, or this is varchar, some other different data types, surely you'll get errors. Then make space between foreign and key. Take care of the spellings of foreign references. Don't leave any typo mistakes. So if you're following these methods, out of 3, with any methods you can create the foreign key constraint and you can drop the foreign key constraint at any instance with the help of this alter command. So in the next video you will be seeing many more SQL commands. So stay tuned. Thank you. Hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Do post your valuable comments. Check for useful links in the description box. For more technical videos, stay tuned to magiccse by Eezytutorials. Thank you.